How to reset your Philco Smart TV? Hey guys, what's up? Paiva here, back with another video. In this video, you'll learn how to reset your Philco TV to its original factory settings. But before we start, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. I make various tutorials here, always aiming to make things easier for you. So guys, there are already other related videos on the channel. If you're interested in other topics, I'll leave a playlist with more videos in the card right now. In this video, you'll learn how to reset your Philco Smart TV to its factory settings. And the process is pretty straightforward. First step, grab your remote control and locate the menu option on it. It's not the Q menu, alright guys? You'll probably see two menu options, Q menu and the regular menu. If you press Q menu, it'll take you to other settings like picture mode, sound mode, noise reduction, and screen mode. That's not what we're looking for. We want the regular menu. So you're going to click here on menu. I'm going to point it at the Smart TV sensor. And in the menu, you'll see some side options appear, like image, sound, and network. Let's scroll down here on the remote control. For this option, Options, you'll click the OK button on your Smart TV. And more options will appear. You'll scroll down until you find the reset option. This is where we're going to reset our TV, folks. You'll click the OK button. It asks if you're sure you want to reset. Then you'll select number 5 and you'll click the OK button. This process resets your Philco Smart TV. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll wrap it up here. Take care. God bless. Thanks.